My name is Joe McGee. I'm the manager of security operations at Copado. Copado is a DevOps company. We help with testing and with your CI/CD pipeline. So our goal is to make release days obsolete and to get engineers home at the end of the day.
My name is Jeremy Hale. I'm Vice President of Business Development for Foresite Cybersecurity. We are a premier security partner within Google Cloud Security. And I think the reason why we built a really good relationship with Copado is we tend to meet our customers where they're at.
Part of a big reason of why I really wanted to work with Foresite is when we were talking to them, they made it really clear that they would help to show us everything, and it would be transparent from the top to the bottom. This isn't a black box that I'm plugging into. They're going to show me everything from the log file all the way up through the enrichment process, and then give me good results on the back end that I can then take into further investigation or work with their team to do a full investigation if I need to. The Google security tools are amazing for us. Quantifiably, if I were to turn all of it off today, I'm probably going to lose about $64 million in revenue. There is something in the stack for everything. With Google Cloud Armor, we have protection right on the front end before anything even enters our environment. We have excellent vulnerability management and the compliance and security tools that are provided by Google. And I really love the event threat detection and the container threat detection, because those tell me what's happening inside my environment where I don't necessarily want to put some of my other tools because we're running customer-sensitive workloads. So it's giving me a higher level access to those that doesn't allow me access to the data that customers are doing inside of their own workloads. Instead, it just tells me, hey, a binary ran that you need to be aware of, so I can go in and investigate. They want to know that their data is safe and secure with us, and I can promise them that because of the Google protections.
Why we partner, so that Joe can offload those things and then focus on security critical tasks within the business.
We have a lot of requirements we have to meet, and in order to meet those in any sort of time frame, I think Foresite was the best part I could have found. With Foresite, we're now using Google Security Operations, the SIM, and they're helping us build out on top of that. So we're now feeding in all of our event data from everything, and I can start correlating that data along together to get a full picture of, in the event of a true security breach, no matter where it starts in our environment, I'll be able to see that. We should have all of that data, top to bottom, and be able to stop things before they start. But if they do get worse, be able to track them back to where they came from, to know with complete certainty that we have remediated. The two biggest benefits with Google Cloud Security is that everything works incredibly well. You know that you're covered from start to finish, and it will guide you through every step of the way, exactly what you need to do. AI is really going to kind of take over in the security space. It will be able to do things like find my assets that I'm not aware of and be able to tell me more about the log data that's coming in. I think it'll help me parse my log data way down to a manageable amount. It's really going to take care of a lot of the initial response so that in the time a detection reaches the analyst, we'll have enrichment from AI on exactly what is happening in the environment.
Google's probably the only company on the planet that has that hyperscale capability to be able to consolidate such large data sets and reduce that down to a targeted response in sub-second queries. There is a point where we would trust an agentic AI or components of AI in Gemini specifically within Google Security Operations to make those informed decisions.
And it's a huge efficiency gain in every regard. If what you need for efficiency is to get your time down, then AI is going to help you massively.
It's going to make human guidance then the thing that we've always really wanted it to be, which is offloading a lot of the drudge of the SOC and then beginning to really focus on like critical security parameters. As tools become readily accessible in that Google SecOps space, we will talk about his preference in deployment and then make that guidance in terms of best practices, and we'll probably be learning together.
That means you can serve your customers better. That means you can serve the world better. That means you can help everyone out faster than you could before.